So I don't know what's going on with this website. They have some limits on what you can do for free, which is understandable. Problem is, every time I try to make a video, I screw something up. So yeah, funny how that works. So this is an image. I only ran it through once, and it lets me go deeper. So yeah, let's go deeper. Well, that looks pretty cool. Some sort of robot. The fox was becoming less of a fox, or wolf, whatever the hell it was. Looks like part of a car dashboard. That's kind of odd. Any birds? Yep, there's a bird. Every time I run an image through this, you get something that looks like a bird. It's really funny. Well, anyway, that's basically how this program works. If you want to learn more, just searching on YouTube or something. I'm still learning about it, and I'm still trying to figure out how to work on my program, so maybe in the next video we'll make some updates to that. But anyway, yeah, we'll see you next time.